number one engine. One day, I was late for my work at China. Easy, Tiger. Sorry, Young Bao. You're just in time to meet your new coaches, An and Yang Hong. Ni hao, Thomas. Hello. Hi, I mean, ni hao. Back on Sodor, my coaches Annie and Carabelle love it when I go really fast. Is that so? Yeah. Woohoo! Faster, Thomas, faster! One time I went so fast, I went to the sky and all the way to the moon. Yeah! Go, Thomas, go! That doesn't sound believing to me. Woo! You made that up. Well, I'm still the number one engine, but I'm the number one. That's a number one. That's how we write number ones in China. My name is Hong Mei. My name's Thomas. Would you like to race? Sure. Dang it, I have to stop at a signal. Let's do it again. 3, 2, 1. Kashi! Huh? Kashi means start, Thomas. Oh. We can take a shortcut. Wow. Are you sure this is a shortcut? Yes, Thomas. Keep going. I can't see how I'm going. Wow. Is it safe? Of course it is, Thomas. We've been this way lots of times. Okay. Oh, cinders and ashes! Come on, Thomas. It's okay. And you need to keep going if you're going to beat Hong Mei. Go quickly and show Hong Mei who's number one. Okay. Didn't you fly up in the air? Here we go, Thomas. Faster! Oh, I'm the fastest engine. I'm number one. Oh no! Oh no! I come off the rails, and no one knows who we are, and no one knows where we are. Help! Help! Sorry, Thomas. We should have stayed on the main line. It's not your fault, Ann. It's all because I wanted to be number one. Hong Mei, you took the shortcut too? Yes. What happened? There was a rock on the line. Oh no! It must have fallen off one of my cars because I was going too fast. Sorry, Thomas. Well, you could have stayed and keep going and win the race and leave you behind? I don't think so.